Let's head for the Phromthep. I don't know the pronunciation, but it's something like that. It's the most south point of Phuket. And it's a really romantic place to go if you want to look at the sunset. Let's go. And I have my private driver. Very, very good. And I always go in on the right side in the cars. I almost did it this time also, because it's Thai cars. In Sweden we have the steering wheel here. Sweden, Leo side. So this is Karun, one of the most touristic streets. Usually it's a lot of people and shops, restaurants open here and pubs, but these days it's quite dead. You have restaurants enough and pubs enough, but it's sad for the Thai people. But for the tourists, you can absolutely go here. You're not going to be boring. Last night it was a New Year's party here till 4 o'clock in the night. Even if they must close 1 o'clock, they had the party till 4. Here you have some restaurants. And in the small alleys you have the pubs with pool tables. You're going to turn Leo Sai in the roundabout that way. First, number Nu. And here is the Karun beach on right side. Strong by some kilometer. It's the absolutely first hotel I have ever stayed in Phuket. That was 2008 here in Karun with my daughter. In the countries where there are driving on the right side, many times you need to let people that coming from the right side, you need to let them through. And here it's the vice versa. People coming from the left side, you need to let them through. So here is the Karun beach just before Kata. Kata. You say Kata.
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 Say Thai Kata.
Kata. So here, Kata and Karun is almost together, these two small tourist places. And the policemen are always blinking with their lights. And Kata is my more favorite than Karun, I think. Here also usually so many people. So drive, look here. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh. And that is the big bar street, but it's quite empty. Kata's biggest bar street. Yeah, we're not going to get so much sunset tonight, but we're going to eat a lovely meal up on the mountain. Phromthep Cape. Leo quiet. Leo quiet, Tilak.
เลี้ยวขวา
I say Leo quiet.
Oh, okay. I can't hold you see.
Oh, you don't speak Thai. Oh my Buddha.
Okay, I change. When rain, be careful here. When you driving motorbike, very dangerous.
Very.
Very.
This is a quite scenery road if you go here with motorbike during daytime. It's not so far from Karun, it's 16 kilometers to Phromthep Cape. Huma. Now I am very hungry. Kun Huma.
ไม่หิวมาก
My Huma. Ta.
I think many car have problem.
Yeah.
When you go up, you not down for speak English for gear.
Yeah. I know.
Sometimes have problem from auto car.
They don't use the gear exactly.
เลี้ยวขวาเลี้ยวซ้าย
เลี้ยวขวา300 meter เลี้ยวขวา This is the famous Ralai. So empty. But you have some restaurants. I think it's enough for you if you want to go.
I don't know. Here.
They drive back.
Cannot go here and only here.
Oh, he's driving on the wrong side of the road. Falang
Yeah, you
coming to Thailand.
Yes.
Uh,
And say Leo but cannot Leo. No, I look two lady. I look Falang lady. You look Leo side Leo. But now good.
now we have Sikiao.
Before have Sikiao also, but cannot stop.
Many cars. They have been up to look sunset. Everybody go back now.
Okay.
And now we go. Oh, but we go after sunset. I have never seen so many cars in.
can
It's
stop here.
New Year's Day.
Cannot.
That's New Year's Day. That's why. First day of the year. The top here, park. Yeah, here is the absolute south point. What they say?
แหลมพรหมเทพ
One more time.
แหลมพรหมเทพ
Lamb Phuket.
Yes.
Oh, see them. So dark now. Can be beautiful.
สวยมาก
So this is the place people go when they want to see the sunset. Very romantic restaurant.
Yes, very nice สวยมาก
You want to go?
แล้วถ้าคุณกับยายไม่เอาลองเปิดยายจะดู
I love it during the nights in Thailand with all the lights and so. Very beautiful. I think this is a hotel. Suaima. Hello. No, we eat ahan.
we full
Full.
table for eating
Okay, we sit here. Take it.
okay
Alina?
if you want to eat อาหาร here you can eat here
I can sit here. Eat.
เต็มต้มขาไก่ this
ต้มข้าวไก่
no salad from Phuket salad with coconut
Coconut soup guy.
coconut soup ไก่ต้มขาไก่ I not see but I see แกงเขียวหวาน
That's
แกงเขียว
good.
หวาน spicy little bit
A very beautiful restaurant up on the mountain here. Bamboo tent.